Hello guys, welcome to the video of critical ops. So today I'm gonna show you how to increase the FPS in critical ops. So first of all you need to open your critical ops account and you need to open the settings on top right corner. Click on the settings, then you need to go on the general menu. So you can see here target frame rate 90 fps. You can easily increase or decrease by clicking on the arrow icons. So you can decrease to 30 fps or increase it to 90 fps. So I hope you like this video how to increase or decrease the FPS in critical ops. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So bye.